Seems like we're all set now, ready to race. Race number 11. The final call here at Santa Ana Park. Just got started. It's a speed scramble at the start of the race, but there goes Go! Marty Go goes right for the lead, moving up to take second in his prime power. Running by the little 30s, Bando Halo running outside Lee Jr. Then comes Constantinople in fifth. Running by the little 6 spin move, then comes Teneros running by the little golden class. Dalagang Bukid is running third last, followed over by number 2 Purple Temperance. Spicy Time is running at the tail of the field, traveling towards 600. It is still Go! Marty Go by some 3 lengths, followed still by Prime Power in second. Band of Halo is fading out, moving up Lee Jr. from the outside. Here comes his spin move together with Constantinople as they reach the last 400 with Go! Marty Go! Still in front by some 6 lengths. Prime Power remains in second. Band of Halo in the middle portion, moving up on the outside. Lee Jr. running by the little spin move. And down the stretch they come. It is still Go! Marty Go with a clear lead of 3 lengths. Prime Power remains in second with 75 meters left to race from gate to wire. Go! Marty Go. Second, Prime Power. Third, number 1. 180. This one is Constantinople, close with Band of Halo and Lee Jr. Dalagang Bukid.
Okay, crossing the wire first.